Here is how to remove third-party apps from your Google account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and then search for myaccount.google.com. Once you're here, ensure you've signed in with the account from which you'd want to remove third-party apps. So you can switch the account by clicking on your profile picture on the top right. Once this is done, click on third-party apps and services that's on the left here. And here we have a list of all of the third-party apps that we've shared some of our data with. So the amount of data we've shared with them changes based on the permissions, and they have a filter for this on top. So if you want to see all of the apps that you use to sign in with Google, you can select this. And if you click on access to, here we can see one app has access to Google Drive, one to YouTube, and two to other accounts. So now let's say you want to remove access for a certain app. Let's say this one here. I'll select it. Then you can see what data they have. So they have access to my profile info. And now to remove access, just click on delete all connections and click on confirm. And now it's done. So if I go back, you can see they've been removed from this list. So the same way, you can go through all of the other apps and remove access. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some privacy and security settings, check out this video. Goodbye.